Welcome. In this tutorial we shall see the use of Smart Fill tool to fill the areas. Smart Fill tool is used to apply fill to enclosed areas. It detects the edges of an area and creates a closed path to fill. To fill an enclosed area, first click the Smart Fill tool from the toolbox. From the Fill Options list box, choose Use Default to fill area with default settings. Choose Specify to fill areas with solid color. Choose No Fill to apply no fill. Select the fill color from the palette. From the Outline Options list box, choose Use Default to provide default outline. Choose Specify to choose line width and line color. Choose No Outline to provide no outline to the area. Specify the outline width and the outline color. Now click inside the area you want to fill. A new object is created from the enclosed area. Because it creates a path, it creates a new object that can be filled, moved, copied, or edited. Thank you.